Hi, this is Daniel Ramey with Circo Innovations with another PVC design. As you can see in the videos we just saw, this design was used to transport trash cans to and from our pickup location. We're going to show you how to build this design today, and as you watch it, think of ways you can use this with just a few changes for your needs. Drop that idea in the comments below and we'll see if we can throw that into our next video. Alright, so what we're going to need to build this design, we'll start here with the fittings. First we're going to need 2 of the 3-ways, we're going to need 6 of the 4-ways, 2 of the L's, 18 of the slip T's, we're going to need 4 of the slip crosses, and we're going to need 4 of these caster inputs. Alright, for the pipe, you're going to need 3 sections of pipe cut to 6 5/8 right there. You're going to need 2 sections cut to 6 inches long. Next, you're going to have 5 sections cut to 23 inches long. Those are going to be right here. Next, you're going to need 8 sections cut to 30 inches long. Those ones right there. Next, you're going to need 6 cut to 4 feet long. Those are going to be right here. Next, you're going to need 2 cut to 25 inches long. Next, you will need 2 cut to 21.5 inches long. All right, for the wheels, we have these caster input tires. These have a 1/2 inch diameter tip. We also have a 1/2 inch diameter rod here. We bought it at 3 feet long. We cut it down to 34.25 inches long. You can use any tire you'd like. We just decided to use these since we had them. All right, when you finish up your wheel system, you will need these lock-off pieces here for the 1/2 inch diameter rods. They're gonna stick in and you kind of hammer them on and they have little bites in the end. All right, now we're gonna move into the wheel assembly. So we have our rod here. We've already put on one side. We've put on our end cap. We're gonna take a 4-way with a caster input there. I smashed it on. It's got it nice and flush. Now we're ready to put it on. All right, next we're gonna be placing 3 of the slip T's in this section here. All right, now we're gonna be placing a 4-way. We already have the cap put in as well. We're gonna match it up just like this. We're gonna take our end cap, place it right here. So we're good to move on to the next section. All right, next we're gonna take 2 of the 4-footers, stick them on here. 2 4-footers there. We're gonna leave this one straight up. These are gonna go like this. Now we're gonna take 2 slip crosses and slide them down the middle here. All right, now you're gonna place 4 slip T's, 2 on each side. All right, now you're gonna take your 3 sections of pipe that are cut to 6 5/8 and you're gonna stick them over here. So our tires can go into here. Just like that. So this option here, we could have wheels or you could just have stubs, depending if you're on a rough terrain or if you're on a smooth surface like cement. If you're on a rough surface, you might want bigger tires and also just have those pieces of pipe coming down maybe to stop you. All right, now we're gonna go up. We're gonna use our 30-inch sections. All right, now we're gonna finish off the back section of the cart. We're gonna take a 23-inch section, some 3-ways with a slip T right here. We don't wanna forget to put a slip T on both sides back here. All right, now we're gonna do the side here. I'm gonna take this slip cross, go down right about there. Put a slip T on a 4-foot section right here. A slip T right here. All right, now we're doing the sidebars. You're gonna take your 2 21.5, 21 inches sections. They're gonna be on this back part. Put these in. All right, next you have two 25-foot sections. They're gonna go on the ends here. All right, this is the last section. Take a slip T on your 23-inch section. Put it through here. Next, you're gonna take your short sections here, put them on the 4-ways. You're gonna take your L's, stick them on like that, put this up. Okay, we're gonna put that there. Next, put your last piece in for the handle. All right, so after you got this all in, right now it just sits air fitted. But if you want to secure it, you can use glue, PVC glue, or we like to use self-tapping screws. Just come in, make sure everything's level and fully seated with your hammer here. All right, you can easily just put a self-tapping screw. That way you can take it out, change your design if you care to do so. So self-tapping screws or using PVC glue. Let's see what we can do with it. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and to drop those new PVC ideas in the comments below. See you next time.